are you feeling about the moment? Let me know in the comment section how you feel about the moment. Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
DJ Jerryman, keep it going. Let the whole place feel it. Because when praise goes up, miracles come down. I will praise. I will praise. I will praise. I will praise.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. It's another moment of praise. We are here to give Jehovah groove that he deserves, and that is what we are doing exactly. Thank you for being there, and I will so much appreciate if you can give me a like, share, comment. Let me know how you feel about the moment. God bless you for being there. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. And don't forget, all these songs have already been made available in all streaming platforms that you can check them out at your own convenient time, whichever platform of your choice, either being Amazon, Spotify, Boomplay, YouTube Music, just naming them, right? Just check them out. DJ Jerryman remain constant across all platforms. God bless you as you check them out. And the title for this one is You Didn't Leave Me, right? In every situation, in every circumstances that we find ourselves, he is always there. Let's check it out and
Give it. You didn't leave me. Get it. You didn't leave me. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You didn't leave me. Even when I ran, you didn't leave me. Yeah. I was not faithful. You didn't leave me. When I was down, you didn't leave me. When I was weak, you didn't leave me. When I was lost, you didn't leave me. You found my way. You didn't leave me. You didn't leave me. You didn't leave me. No condition. You didn't leave me. No perfection. You didn't leave me. Still you love me. You didn't leave me. Clap your hands. You didn't leave me. Move your feet. You didn't leave me. Turn around. You didn't leave me. Lift it loud. You didn't leave me. Left side said, you didn't leave me. Right side said, you didn't leave me. Everybody said, you didn't leave me. Say it again. You didn't leave me. Hey. Like Jonah on the run, said, God, I'm not going. And turn another ship, thought nobody was knowing. Storm started rising, boat started shaking. Inside the big fish, he started praying. 3 days later, you brought him out. Even in disobedience, you didn't leave You help me. DJ Jerryman.
You help me anyway is the title for this one. And after this one, I think before I round up the show, I would like to switch to worship. We need to listen to a few of the worship before we bring the show to an end. We are still on. After this one, I think we need to listen to some of the worship. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do well by give me a like, share, comment. Let me know how you feel about the moment. And if you are just joining us for the first time, try and follow the account, subscribe, so that you won't miss out on the other subsequent live show that will come up, such as this. Thank you for being there. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Let us make it happening together on this platform.
You help me anyway. I didn't deserve it. You help me anyway. Hey, you help me anyway. Hey, when I could not see. You help me anyway. Hey, when I was strong. You help me anyway. When I was weak. You help me anyway. When I was lost. You help me anyway. You found me there. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. No perfection. You help me anyway. Just your mercy. You help me anyway. Clap your hands. You help me anyway. Hey, move your feet. You help me anyway. Turn around. You help me anyway. Lift it loud. You help me anyway. Left side say. You help me anyway. Right side say. You help me anyway. Everybody say. You help me anyway. Say it again. You help me anyway. When I fell down, you picked me up. You help me anyway. When I cried out, you heard my voice. You help me anyway. When I gave up, you held me close. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. I am standing here. You help me anyway. No more fear. You help me anyway. Now I believe. You help me anyway. I receive. You help me anyway. I am free. You help me. Say it again. You help me anyway. Don't stop now. You help me anyway. Higher now. You help me DJ Jerryman, no dollar, make the sound reach heaven. Because when I could not move, you moved for me. And when I had no strength, you fought for me. Yeah. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. You help me anyway. From my past, you help me anyway. To my now, you help me anyway. To my future, you help me anyway. Forevermore, you help me anyway. Say it again. Say it again. You help me anyway. Everybody now, you help me anyway. Let it rise. You help me anyway.
Welcome on board DJ Jerryman live in the studio. This time I am switching to worship now. We have been working with praise all the way, and it has been an amazing moment all through. This time around, before I round up the show, I would like to play a few of the worship before I round up the show. Do well to give me a like, share, comment as you join DJ Jerryman live in the studio, and don't forget all these songs are already in all streaming platforms that you can locate them any one of your choice, either being Amazon, Spotify, Boomplay, YouTube, just naming them, right? DJ Jerryman remain constant across all platforms. Check them out, you'll be amazed with how those songs are powerfully packaged and made available, right? Thank you for being there, and I will so much appreciate your reaction on the platform, right? Well, because your support mean a whole lot to me on this platform. Your reaction on the platform speak volumes, right? Thank you for being there. Let's a few of the worship that we have. I have a whole lot, but I'm just going to play just few of them before I will round up the show. Um, the title for this one is My Soul Say Yes.
My soul say yes, my soul say yes. My soul say yes. Oh, yes. My soul say yes. Na 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 na. My soul say yes. Oh no. DJ Jerryman, let the one drop roll. Let the bassline smile. Today we sing with open hearts. From the rising of the sun to the setting of the same. Your love steady, it never changed. Through the seasons of my life, through the laughter and the tears, you've been faithful all these years. And my soul say yes, yes to your will. Yes to your will. Yes to your will. Yes to your will. Even when it's still, my soul say yes. My soul say yes. Say yes every day. Yes to your will. Lead me, Lord. Yes to your will. I will obey. Yes to your will. My soul say yes. You lifted burden I could not bear. You answered prayers I spoke in despair. You made a river in desert ground. You turned my world around and around. Oh, so my soul say yes, yes without fear. Yes in the valley, yes on the hill. My soul say yes, loud and clear. Anywhere you send me, I will go still. No chains can hold me, no doubt can bind. You gave me peace deep in my mind. Freedom ringing like island breeze. My heart at rest, my spirit at ease. Say yes in the morning, yes in the night. Yes when the future not in my sight. Yes in the waiting, yes in the test. Your plans for me, always the best. And my soul say yes, yes with a smile. Yes when the road go extra mile. My soul say yes, again and again. You are my savior, you are my friend. Let the guitar dance like mercy. Let the drums clap praise. Let every step I'm taking bring you glory all my day. If you open the door, my soul say yes. If you close the door, my soul say yes. If you bless me more, my soul say yes. If you teach me through less, my soul say yes. Yes to your wisdom, yes to your hand, yes to your hand, yes to the journey, yes to the journey you already planned. Yes to the call, yes to the call, yes to the treasure, worth more than lost. And my soul say yes, forever yes, till my final breath, and nothing less. Oh, my soul say yes. Oh, my soul say yes to the King of Kings, my righteousness. My soul say yes. Yes, yes, yes. My soul say yes. Yes. My soul say yes, my soul say yes. Brother, come on. There is a sound in your spirit.
We are in the worship moment. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
Daddy, come on.
Holy Hunger Outbreak is the title for this one.
Children gather, the atmosphere is shifting. All nations hear it. 247 worshiping, and I stepped into holy hunger. Tonight is not a concert, tonight is not a gathering. Tonight is a migration into the realm of God. We are not singing, we are ascending. We are not clapping, we are breaking barriers. We are not dancing, we are entering realms. Father, take me to the realm where your presence is everything. Father, take me deeper, lift me into that sacred realm, where your whisper becomes instruction, where your breath becomes empowerment, where your presence becomes my inheritance. I am hungry, hungry for the realm where men become carriers of fire, hungry for the realm where intimacy births accuracy, hungry for the realm where everything changes just because you came near. I am tired of outer courts, I am tired of shallow waters. Father, draw me into the chamber where your fragrance rests on my spirit and your heartbeat becomes my rhythm. A pretty declaration, you look at me before, look at me again, Abba Father. When I was alone, you found me. When I was weak, you strengthened me. When I had no direction, you showed me mercy. When hope died, you resurrected it. When I was invisible, you saw me. So now I boldly declare, do it again. Visit me again, lift me again, restore me again, open my destiny again, change my story again, touch my life again. If you did it before, you can do it again. For you are the same yesterday, today and forever. Lord, help me to know you more. Lord, I want to know you beyond answers. I want to know you beyond blessings. I want to know you beyond miracles. Take me to the realm where knowing you becomes the highest reward, where intimacy becomes my daily strength, where your presence becomes my home, where your glory becomes my atmosphere. Let the hunger in me become a ladder into deeper dimensions. Father, give us access, grant us entrance. Let the worship in 247 worship in honor pull down new realms tonight. Release. Breakthrough angels, tearing barriers that have stood for years. Releasing angels, releasing divine increase and strange mess. Angels of encounter, opening eyes, activating visions, awakening angels, touching bodies, repairing foundations, restoring strength, turning point angels. Think true destiny, summon to divine canvas. Father, take me to the realm where you are the difference, where burdens melt in your shadow, where confusion dies in your light, where weakness collapses in your glory, where miracles happen without striving, where testimonies appear without struggle, where joy overflows without measure. Take me to the realm where everything aligns because it's that extent. Father, take me to the realm where you are the difference, where burdens melt in your shadow, where confusion dies in your light, where weakness collapses in your glory, where miracles happen without striving, where testimonies appear without struggle, where joy overflows without measure. Take me to the realm where everything aligns because you stepped into the room. Abba Father, seal this holy moment. Let breakthroughs fall like rain. Let blessings overtake every worshiper. Let divine encounters erupt unexpectedly. Let angels walk among us with assignment and fire. Let intimacy become our lifestyle. Let your presence mark us forever. Let testimonies rise before this worship ends. This is 247 worshiping Arna, where hunger becomes fire, where praise becomes a portal, where angels become active, where destiny becomes visible, where God becomes near, where miracles happen even before the sound finishes.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. It's a worship moment. It's a moment of intimacy. Welcome on board. The title for this one is Beautiful King.
Don't check Jerryman, let the rhythm roll slow. Let the bass line testify. When the morning breaks and I rise again with a grateful heart through the joy and pain, you are faithful, you remain. Through the sunshine and the rain, you never leave, you never go. Even when my faith feels low, you hold my hand, you hold me close, closer than the wind that blows. You never leave. When the road gets rough and my steps feel weak, when the words won't come and I cannot speak, you are my strength, you are my guide. You walk with me on every side. You never leave, you never go. Even when my tears may flow, you calm the storm, you speak peace slow. Deeper than the rivers flow, you never leave. Oh, Jah, you steady, Jah, you true. Every promise you see through. From my rising to my rest, you are with me, I am blessed. No shadow, no valley, no mountain high can separate me from your love inside. You never leave, you never go. Through the high and through the low. When I fall, you lift me slow. You remind my heart to know you never leave.
Thank you for show of love. Welcome on board.
Let the drums speak soft and steady. Let the guitar cry your name. Let my spirit dance in freedom, free from guilt and free from shame. You stay with me through every season. You stay with me, you are the reason my soul sings. Even in the night, you are my light. You never leave, you never go. Before me and behind me, so above my fears, below my hope. You are the anchor for my soul. You never leave. You never leave. You never leave. And when the final day shall come and all my race on earth is run, still I'll say with lifted hands, you walked with me, you held my plans. You never leave, you never go. Forevermore, you never leave, you never go. My King, my friend, my Lord.
In the quiet, is the title for this one. Welcome on board. Thank you for the show of love. I so much appreciate. God bless you.
Soft key, soft drums. Let heaven feel near when the day is done and the noise fades out. When the crowds are gone and there's no more shout. In the quiet, you are there, closer than a whispered prayer. In the quiet, I hear you speak, not in power, but in the meek. In the quiet, you draw me near and every fear disappears. No lightning, no fire, just a gentle flame calling softly my hidden name. No pressure, no rush, just holy peace, like waves of mercy that never cease. You restore my soul. Broken pieces you make whole. In the quiet. Yeah, your realm is a realm of born miracles without provocation. Blessings that come suddenly, breakthroughs that arrive unannounced, warm healing without delay. And I step out amongst all men, carry this peace inside my chest, the secret place where I am blessed. In the quiet, I meet with you, and every morning love feels new. In the quiet, I find you there. Your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm, your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm, your realm is a realm, your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm of. Your realm is a realm. Yeah, your realm is a your realm is a realm. Yeah, your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm. Your realm is your realm is a realm. Your realm is a realm of, your realm is your realm is a realm of, your realm is a realm of, realm is a realm of, yeah. Your realm is a realm, your realm is a realm of, realm is a realm, your realm is a realm of. You did not give up when I did. DJ Jerryman, softly stay here. I let it go, I lost the fight, I dropped hope, I dimmed the light. I stopped believing things could change. I grew tired of all the pain. I told myself, this is the end. No strength to try, no will to mend. I closed the door on dreams I knew and walked away from what felt true. I gave up on the better me, on who I hoped I still could be. I thought that moment sealed my fate, that giving up would make you wait no more. But in the silence of defeat, I felt a love refuse retreat. You did not give up when I did, when I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose. You were standing right beside. You did not give up when I did, when I said I'm done, I'm through.
You did not give up when I did.
I could not see a future, you still saw me breaking through. I thought your plan depended on my strength to keep holding on. I thought your love would fade away the moment I could not stay. But you are not a fragile flame that dies with loss or feeds on gain. You hold the end, you hold the stars. You never drop a willing heart. You did not give up when I did. When I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose, you were standing right beside. You did not give up when I did, when I said I'm done, I'm through, when I could not see a future, you still saw me breaking through. DJ Jerryman, no ending, only mercy. There was a moment I broke down low. No more pretending I could go. No more answers left to say. No more strength to find a way. I stood in pieces on the ground, lost in silence, no safe sound. And in that place, so torn, so wide, I felt your presence step inside. Not asking why I gave it up, but lifting me with steady love. You did not give up when I did. When I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose, you were standing right again and again. There is love that will remain beyond my loss, beyond my pain. And even if I fall apart, you still will hold my fragile heart. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, still held. You did not give up when I did. When I laid my hope aside, when I walked away from purpose, you were standing right beside. You did love when I did. When I said I'm done, I'm through. When I could not see a future, you still saw me breaking through. You did not give up. You held me up. You kept me when I gave up. Covenant love. You held me through it.
You held me through the silence
Held me through
is the title for this one. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
DJ Jerryman, softly, no rush. There were no words, there was no song, just empty spaces, wide and long. I tried to pray, but nothing came. Just quiet echoes of my pain. No fire, no tears, no voice inside. Just stillness deep, I could not hide. I thought your presence had withdrawn.